Hello everyone, hello Capricorn, how are you doing? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your weekly reading, money, career and business reading. So let's see, I've already shuffled these cards, how the week is gonna go for you. Six of Pentacles card. So you're trying to save some money, Capricorn. Also you're trying to help people in need. I mean, this card also I have got for Sagittarius. So you are maybe the amount is small, but you are trying to save some amount for future or invest somewhere. And it also talks about philanthropy, like you are trying to invest some money and help others out. So let me clarify this card. Clarify Six of Pentacles. Here, clarify Six of Pentacles. Clarify Six of Pentacles. Yeah, the Sun card. Basically, you feel happy. You want everybody around you to be happy, Capricorn. You have people around you who might be having distress times, or maybe they do not have that amount of money, or they're going through stressful times. So this is what you're doing. You're saving for yourself and also helping people out. It's a good cause, and like we all should do it. Now the second card. The Sun card also tells you that there are expansion plans for your business and your career, your business is seeing growth because Capricorn, also known as to be very hardworking sign. It's a week you are feeling emotionally happy, and even financially too, things are quite good for you. Seven of Swords. Now I feel that, as you know, this retrograde still on till 12th July. Mercury is in retrograde, the planet of communication. So there are delays and snags, and regarding some information that you're waiting on a business or a job offer for some of you that you might be expecting is not come yet, or an interview which was scheduled got cancelled and you're still waiting for another date. So it talks about various kinds of obstacles, but it shows that yes, you will overcome these obstacles and you're gonna be the winner. You will overcome all the obstacles, Capricorn. And it's a very beautiful card, like this is the card of the underdog. Slowly and steadily he just goes and wins. So let me clarify this Seven of Rods for you. Oh, so Victory card. So it's like once you are you are clearing the obstacle and you are walking towards your victory. So I think the weekend you are going to feel satisfied and happy. This around 12th, you are really going to feel victorious about something. Maybe you received a job letter that you're waiting for, or maybe you got the interview that you were, or maybe you have invested some money and you get to know that no, it's really showing some results now. Like maybe you got some. So this card, basically beautiful card for Capricorn. Now the third card, Queen of Rods. So this is your energy. You are feeling very emotionally satisfied, and you are like a visionary. Some people can come to you for taking some suggestions, and you help them out. Beautiful energy, very balanced, very kind, caring energy kind of Capricorn for you. I feel with this card, you need to, some of you are working towards community also with the Queen of Rods and Six of Pentacles card. Some of you maybe will start working for the community because Capricorns do believe in that they do not alone belong to the family, they belong to the whole world. They are responsible as a responsible person. We owe responsibility to the world too. Let me clarify this card. I feel overall a very balanced situation, and it's good situation for business and money too. Some of you are investing in real estate, also in share market. That is getting you some money. This is what I get the feeling also, that money coming from shares, bonds, dividends, stocks. This is what I feel. Now Seven of Pentacles with the Queen of Rod card. I feel that this is just that, don't get distracted, don't feel tired, you are doing well, stay focused, Capricorn, and things will be working fine for you. This is the message that this has for you, Capricorn. So this is it for week, good week overall. So thank you. This is it. See you in the next reading.